Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hey everyone! Welcome to our Mathematics Month. In this Mathematics Month, from WEMSU, Western Mindanao State University in Ipil Campus, we are going to discuss to you about problem solving involving rational expressions, as it will help you or it will guide you in in giving mathematical problems in real life situation. Good day everyone! Welcome to our Mathematics Month. I'm Shirel Hope B. Moreno, your math teacher for this session. Do you ever wonder why mathematical problems involve in your life? Do you have any mathematical problems that you've encountered in your life? If yes, well, if you have solved some of them in your life, then let's talk about our exciting topic, which is entitled as Problem Solving Involving Rational Expressions. Let us define what a rational expression is. Rational expressions are a fraction whose numerator and denominator are polynomials and can be simplified much like numeric fractions. In this session, our objectives are, at the end of the lesson, the students will be able to first solve problems involving rational expressions and second, discuss ideas related to problem solving. There are 4 steps on how we are able to solve a problem. First, understanding the problem or understand the problem. You have to analyze the statement in the given item of what is being asked and what are the given in the statement. Second, plan out. You have to find equation or formula in the given statement. Third, carry out the plan. You have to work out your plan, probably the solutions you've made from the problem. And fourth, check the result. You have to examine your answer if it will resolve the problem. So, I suppose that everyone here know already the concept to solve a problem. So, let me present to you this work problem.
Hip hop math. Hey! Hip hop math.
Multiplying and dividing makes me glad.
Hip hop math. Hey! Hip hop math.
Multiplying and dividing, it makes me glad. Sayaw mga choy, 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 mga choy, 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 mga choy, 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 mga choy, 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 mga choy, 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 choy.
Roule-moi pour toi. Bonne, bonne, bonne de mes copines. À mes copines, à mes copines. Tu veux la plus bonne, bonne, bonne de mes copines. À mes copines, à mes copines. Je veux te bombarder, bom, bom, bombarder.
Hip hop math. Hey! Hip hop math.
Multiplying and dividing, it makes me glad.
Hip hop math. Hey! Hip hop math.
Multiplying and dividing makes me glad.
Hip hop math. Hey! Hip hop math.
Multiplying and dividing, it makes me glad. Sayaw mga choy, 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 mga choy, 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 choy.
Roule-moi pour toi. La plus bonne, bonne, bonne de mes copines. À mes copines, à mes copines. Tu veux la plus bonne, bonne
Hip hop math. Hip hop math.
Multiplying and dividing, it makes me glad.
The example is JC can do a piece of work in 6 days. PJ can do the same job in 4 days. How much time will take them to do the same job together? So first, you have to understand the problem. The problem in this first item is that how much time will PJ and JC takes to do the same job together? So now, let's plan for the equation. So let's plan out. 1 over 6, that is the part of work done by JC in 1 day. 1/4, the part of work done by PJ in 1 day. So 1 over x is the part of work done by JC and PJ working together in 1 day. So the equation is 1 over 6 plus 1 over 4 equals 1 over x, because we are going to find the time that they work together. So in our equation, we find the least common denominator. The LCD in our equation is 12x. Now, let us check the result. Since we have our LCD as 12x, the result is 12x times 1 over 6 is 2x. Then 12x times 1/4, that is 3x. Then 12x times 1 over x is 12. Since we have the same variable of 2x plus 3x, so we add them. 2x plus 3x, we have 5x. Then we divide both sides by 5 so that we can get the value of x. Then our x is equals to 12 over 5 or 2 over 5. Now, let us check the result. 1 over 6 plus 1 over 4 equals 1 over x. That is our equation. So, we let x to be 12 over 5. Then, I will substitute x to be 12 over 5. Then, we have to find the LCD of 6 and 4. That is 12. So, to add them, we have 2 plus 3 over 12 equals, we are applying now the multiplicative inverse. So, 1 over 12 divide 5, we are applying the multiplicative inverse. It will result into 1 times 5 over 12. Since 2 plus 3 is 5 over 12, since in this notation, both sides are equal, so the conclusion is therefore 2 and 2.5 and 2 and 5 days will take them to do the same job together. So the next problem, so I will present to you another problem. This is number problem. The example is, the denominator of a fraction is 3 more than the numerator and denominator are increased by 2. The resulting fraction is 2 over 3. So find the fraction. First, understand the problem. The problem in this second item is that you have to find the fraction with the hint of the first sentence. Now, let's plan for the equation. Let's plan out. We left x as our numerator. The equation is numerator increased by 2. Then denominator increased by 2. Then we have x plus 2 over x plus 3 plus 2 equals to 2 over 3. So x plus 3 is our denominator. So let us find the least common denominator. The LCD in our equation is 3 times x plus 5. Now let us check the result. The equation is x plus 2 over x plus 2 plus 3. then 2 equals 2 over 3. So let's find the LCD. The LCD is 3 times x plus 5. If we simplify this, it will result into 3 times x plus 2 equals 2 times x plus 5. Then we multiply this, it will result into 3x plus 6 equals 2x plus 10. Then we use additive inverse. So 3x minus 2x equals 10 minus 6. Since 3x minus 2x is equal to x, and then 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. So therefore our answer of x is 4. So let's find the fraction. So as we know that our x is the numerator, which is 4, and our denominator is x plus 3, which is 7. So therefore the fraction is 4 over 7. So next, now let us check the result. X plus 2 over x plus 2 plus 3 equals 2 over 3. That is our equation. So we let our x to be 4. Right? Okay. 4 plus 2, that is 6. Then 4 plus 3 plus 2, that is 9. So 6 over 9 is 6 over 9. So we divide the numerator by 3 and divide by 3 and divide the denominator by 3. So it will result into 2 over 3. Since both sides are equal, then we conclude that our answer of x is equal to 4 is correct. So I present to you now our next problem, this age problem. So the given statement is, the daughter's age is 1/5 of his mother's age. In 10 years, she will be 2/5 of her mother's age. How old is the mother? So the problem in this third item is that you have to discover the age of the mother. Now, let's plan for the equation. Let's plan out. Let x equals to mother's age now. So we have this graph to determine the differences of the age in today and in the following 10 years. So the mother in her age now is x, and age in 10 years is x plus 10. The daughter's age now is x over 5, while in 10 years her age is x over 5 plus 10. So the equation will be this: x over 5 plus 10, the daughter's age, equals to 2 over 5 times x plus 10. So let's plan out. The equation is this, as I have said earlier. So to find the result, we need to multiply both sides of 5. So the result will become x plus 50 equals 2x plus 20. So we are going to apply the additive inverse in this problem. So x minus 2x equals 20 minus 50. The answer will become negative x is equal to negative 30. Since we divide both sides by negative 1, then it will become x is equal to 30. That is the result. So how to check the result if it is checked? So we let x equals to 30. Since the x is 30, so the mother So the mother's age now is 30. While the daughter's age now will be x over 5 equals 30 over 5. That will result into 6. So the mother's age in 10 years is x, since we have x plus 10 in her notation, so we have 30 plus 10 is equal to 40. And how about the daughter? The daughter's age in 10 years is 30 divided 5, so that is 6 plus 10, it will result into 16. So how old is the mother? So how old is the mother now? The mother is 30 years old. Example, I present to you this motion problem. Bus A travels 120 km in the same time that bus B travels 80 km. If bus A goes 10 km per hour faster than bus B, find the rate of each bus. So the problem in this fourth item is that you have to find the rate of each bus. So now let's plan for the equation. We need to plan out. So let R be the rate of bus B and let R plus 10 the rate of bus A. The distance of bus B is 80 km and the rate will let R as the rate of bus B, and the time is, since we have to follow the equation to get the time, we have distance over rate, so the time is 80 over R. While in bus A, the distance is 120 km, while the rate is R plus 10, so the time is 120 over R plus 10. So to carry out the plan, 80 over R is equal to 120 over R plus 10. So now, let's carry out the plan. 80 over R is equal to 120 over R plus 10. So, we are going to follow the cross multiplication. So, we multiply 80 times R plus 10, then 120 times R. So, this will result into 120R equals 80R plus 800. 80 times 10, that is 800. So, we are using, or so we are applying now the additive inverse. So, 120R minus 80R. The other term of additive inverse is transposition. So, we transpose 80R, so this will result into negative 80R. 120R minus 80R, that is 40R, equals 800. So to get R, we divide both sides by 40. So 40R over 40, that will result into R. So 800 divide 40, that is 20. So let us check the result. So the question is, find the rate of the bus. Since the bus B have this equation, so 80 over R, so our R is 20, right? So 80 over 20, that is 40. Then the bus B, bus A, 120 over R plus 10. So since our R is 20, so 20 plus 10 is 30. So 120 divide 30, that is 40. Since both bus B and bus A have this similar answers, then the rate is correct. Then the rate or the R is correct. So that's the end of our session. Thank you for your time and your part for listening to my discussion. I surely appreciate that you learn and find the topic meaningful to you. I hope this discussion helps you to be a guide on solving your homeworks that I will give to you later. Thank you.